Hello, I have this input with colors and separate table with colors to replace with what color to replace. When we see black in this list, we replace it with purple, white with yellow, gray with orange. My task is to make this all replacement in one simple formula and then in array formula. My simple formula idea is to make list of look first matching this position of blue. Is this blue in replacement? Blue, comma, replacement range is C2, C4. Press F4 key to log this range. Next, search type is 0 or exact match. And you see in A, this blue word wasn't found in this range, so it returned the error, and this is just what I needed. And now I want to add if error value, and what if value is error. I will just remain my original color blue if it is error. Let's copy this formula down, and you see these numbers 3, 1 and 2. In one final step is just to use this match result in formula called index, which will return from our replacements which are on their places. Also press F4 key, comma, row is our match formula result, enter, copy formula down, and I guess this simple formula is the shortest way to make this goal, to make multiple replacements from one list into another. And there is also an array formula, and I want to show you it step by step, so I'll make my columns more narrow in order to show you step-by-step solution. Let's call it step 1, and I will show you common case will be to make this range with indexes in place. In order to do this, I'll first show you how to make indexes. It is array formula with a row of indirect. Indirect will produce range from string A1 semicolon A end. And now I want number 3. Number 3 is count number of rows in this range. F4, and that's it. I forgot ampersand and A1A and this. And I have 1, 2, 3, this beautiful range. And I want to add next to it original range and make it an array with curly brackets. You see, this formula produced 1, 2, 3 and these all colors. Step 2. Step 2 is to find all matches. Match this from here. This array from here. Does blue match this? No. Does green match this? No. Does gray? Gray is number 3, and I want to return number 3. This formula is also an array formula. Match. Search key will be my input text. comma range here, comma 0, hit enter, and IP value, an array value cannot be found. OK, go inside the formula, press Ctrl Shift and enter, make it an array formula, and now you see the same logic. We have an error when this text wasn't found in our replace list, and we find this beautiful number 3, 1 and 2, and now we'll combine this range 1 to 3 and this into single formula. It will be step 3. What will this formula do? It will be, of course, an array formula, and I immediately type this array formula. It will use if error, and it will make the VLOOKUP of this range in step 2, and it will look for range from step 1, and it will go to column 2 and make exact match. I close my VLOOKUP formula, now we hit comma, and if this value is error, and we see it's error in here, here, and here, then return me original array from here, from A to A7. Press enter, and the result is almost done. It's almost my final result, but I would like to make some final step. I'll copy my formula, which already works fine. By now it uses help ranges, and I want to get rid of these extra ranges and to use only my original ranges. So you see purple line. This is my range from step 1. I will just copy formula from here, copy this formula, and instead of this purple H5 I7, I'll paste my range number 1. And same thing with this orange line. I'll cut the formula from here and paste it here. Back to you so you could see what we have done so far when you download this sample. The link will be below the video, and I want to paste my formulas back. And now I want to get rid of extra array formulas. You see array formula at the start. Here it is. So we don't need already these intermediate array formulas, because our first array formula will do the job for the whole formulas in this text. You must do it carefully, and you must delete closing and opening parentheses in order not to break our final result. Now you see our final formula is a bit longer, but it uses array and it is single formula in here, and you see it expanded automatically. You can make it with different ranges, and to use single formula if you like, it is shorter, or array formula, which works better, or modify it for your needs. So see you next video.